Hello, my name is Lisa Nebaker, and I am an online math instructor with Idaho Digital Learning Alliance. Today I'm going to talk to you about Whiteboard tools, specifically the tool in Google Classroom's app that allows you to annotate assignments to grade. I'm going to start by opening the Google Classroom app and selecting the class that I want to grade with it. Notice in the bottom center of the screen there is a classwork button. When I click on that button, it's going to open up the list of assignments that I've assigned so far to students. I'm going to select the assignment that I would like to grade, and as that opens up, I'll be able to see who has and has not completed that assignment. I only have one student at this time. To open the assignment for grading, you just click on the name of the attachment at the right that you provided to the student, and it's going to open in a new window. Notice in the top right-hand corner of this window, there's a little pencil. If we click on that pencil, it will open the assignment in a form where we can annotate over the top. Now notice at the bottom of the screen, we have all these new tools there. We have a pencil and a marker and a highlighter. You can select the tool you want to use as well as the width as we draw on the screen, annotate to the student, and add some notes for them to give feedback on their assignment. We can change the size of our pencil, so notice that one's a bit thicker. We can write messages to the student in handwriting. We can also try out the highlighter where we highlight different parts of their assignment. You can change the color of the highlighter in case you want to point out different parts. We can also try out the marker. Notice the marker is just a bit thicker as we write on the screen. And if we happen to make a mistake, we can select the eraser, which will erase one piece at a time as we click on it. We can also add text to the page, so you can click the text box and add whatever annotations you want to have. And so there are a lot of different ways that we can add to the student's assignment. Notice when we're done in the upper right-hand corner, there's a Save button. If we click on that button, it will save the changes we've made, not to their assignment, but as a new PDF with our annotations added. Go ahead and click the X in the left-hand corner of the screen. And it will take us back to the grading window. Now notice I can add a comment here that says, "Great job, refer to the PDF," and you'll notice there is now a PDF attached below the student's assignment that has been edited to add our annotations. I can also add a grade over at the left where it says Add Grade. And then I click Return in the upper right-hand corner to return that assignment to the student. And then I confirm that's what I want to do. Now notice if I click on that PDF and open it, this is what the student will see when they open the PDF to see the grading. It has their assignment as it was with all of my notes included. So that's the annotation tool in the Google Classroom app. Again, a reminder that you must be using the Google Classroom app in order for this to work. If you're using the desktop version of Google Classroom, you won't have this tool available. You just have to open the student's assignment, make the annotations, and then it will save in a new PDF file and it will attach to the student's submission. From there, they'll be able to open it and see your grading comments. If you have any questions about this or any other remote learning topics, please check out our eDay support at IDLA. The website is here. It's edaysupport.idla.us. It provides live help 8 a.m. to 4 p.m. Mountain Time, Monday through Friday.